A person from Mumbai goes to Kulu, Manali and takes some services from ICICI Bank in Manali. What is the place of supply? So I'm in Mumbai. I'm a registered person. No, it's not given. We'll take register unregistered person. I'm going to Kulu, Manali. I'm offer taking some service from there. So what I'm doing, I'm making some deposit or some charges. So as I know, am I the holder of the account, same account or not account? If I mean holder of the account, I'm using that option. I'm having a bank, ICC bank in Mumbai, but I'm using that Mumbai services in Kulumanani. Supply of place of supply is Mumbai, not Kulumanani. But I'm an unregistered person. I'm taking services of Kulumanani. It will be interstate supply. Kulumanani will be place of supply. Service is not linked to the account of the person. The place of supply will be Kulu, that is the location of the supply of service. However, the service is linked to the account of a person. The place of supply will be Mumbai. The location of the recipient on the record of the supplier. Very good.